Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pharmatrix for Exams. In this video, I shown some gunshot topics in the pharmaceutics. We know that pharmaceutics is a very vast subject. You will read in first, second, third and fourth years. So subject is very vast and you have to focus on these areas for all competitive examinations. Okay. First is child dose formulas. It is a compulsory, very simple also, like Young's formula, Dilling's formula, like that. Latin terms. There was number of Latin terms, nearly 100 or 150 Latin terms are there, but compulsory 3 to 4 marks are guaranteed from this area. Prescription parts like superscription, inscription, subscription, like that. And incompatibilities, examples they will ask. That is important. Physical, chemical, therapeutic incompatibility. Sterilization methods and materials. This is very important. Materials. They will give the material like a glove or glass apparatus or surgical instruments. How you are going to be sterilized, like that they will ask. Okay. And principles of the sterilization method. How it removes or how it kills the bacteria or microorganisms. And specification, the temperature, how much you have to maintain, pressure, how much you have to maintain, what is the time, like that they will ask. And indicators, there is many indicators are there. Okay, chemical, physical, biological indicators are there that you have to compulsory, you have to learn as per the IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia. Next, different types of temperature. Cold, what is meaning of cold? Store in a cool place. What is the difference between a store in cool place, store in a cold place? Okay. Freezing point. What is a freeze temperature? What is a room temperature? What is a warm? Okay. As per the IP you have to learn. Next, solubility table. Very soluble, highly soluble, practically impossible, like that. Solubility table, limits. You have to by heart or you have to remember. Next, pH of GIT, gastrointestinal tract. Okay, right from oral to anus. And also body organs. What is the pH of blood, saliva, pH of urine, like that. All body parts, body juices. Okay. Next, glass containers. Different types of glass container as per the IP, and what are the tests you are doing for that as per the IP. Okay, and the specifications. Okay, like a whole container test, powdered glass test. Okay, and also specification how you are as per the IP. Angle of repose, complete table you have to by heart. Angle of repose, flow property measurement. What is the formula for angle of repose? Okay, and friability. What is the limits of friability? What is okay, and apparatus. How many revolutions are there in the friability? What is the formula for friability? How many tablets you are taking for friability tests? Like that. Okay. Hardness. What is the hardness for different types of tablets? Okay. And limit all these limits as per the IP. Next is weight variation. How many tablets you are taking for weight variation? Like that they will ask. What is the limits? Disintegration. Limits. What is the media you are using for disintegration? Dissolution. What is a buffer? What is a solution dissolution media you are using? Okay. And what is a paddle type? Different types of dissolution apparatus also there. Okay, in IP, BP, USP they may ask as per the syllabus. And gelatin, how many types of gelatin? What is the raw material for the preparation of gelatin? And how you are preparing a capsule? Soft gelatin capsule, hard gelatin capsule. Okay, and what is the capsule contents inside the capsule? What are the using along with the gelatin? Excipients used to prepare the capsule shell. Next is capsule sizes as per the IP. Hard gelatin capsule sizes and their volumes. Tablet compression problems like sticking, picking, etc. and all. Okay. Next, tablet coating problems and defects. Okay, how to solve these coating problems also, problems and solutions. Next, preservatives using in the parenterals, eye drops. Okay, and their concentrations. For example, say benzalkonium chloride. How much you are using benzalkonium chloride? It appeared in number of times it was appeared. Okay, isotonic, hypotonic, hypertonic. Why we are using only 0.9% of NaCl? why we are using only 5% of dextrose solution, like that. Adjustment calculations, how to adjust the class 1 method, class 2 methods are there. Okay, you can find in the Martin book, adjustment calculations of isotonicity. Weights and measures, what are the systems and how to convert. HLB scale, like a pH scale, HLB scale, what is that, twin 20, twin 30, twin 40, okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, twins and spans. Aerosol system, what is the twins chemically, what is a span chemically, they will ask chemical name of span. Aerosol systems, okay, what are the various parts of your aerosol container and how you are doing evaluation, like a flash point, etc. and all. Propellants, what are the different types of propellants, what are the characters and how to nomenclature, how you are going to give a number for propellants. Next, types of different coatings, sugar coating, film coating, why we objectives also, why we are giving a sugar coating here, procedure type, why we are giving a objective here, and also what are the materials using in the sugar coating, how many stages are there in the sugar coating, film coating, and various excipients used in all these coatings. And emulsions, evaluation tests, how to evaluate the emulsions. Dry gum method, wet gum method for the emulsions and suspensions and preparation methods. Filtration types, like membrane, what is the meaning of membrane filter, what is the meaning of SIDS filter, like that they will ask. Nearly 10 to 15 types are there. Excipients, disintegrants, this is very important. Excipients, for example, say starch paste, starch mucilage we are using as a binder, whereas a starch powder we are using as a disintegrant. See, both are opposite in nature, disintegrant and binder, but starch mucilage is a binder, starch powder is a disintegrant. These types they will ask. What is the percentage, 5%, 2%, like that. Okay, and adsorbents, what is the meaning of adsorbents, and all excipients, okay, glidants, along with the examples. Okay, next, extraction, distillation. See, in unit operation there was number of chapters are there, but among all these you have to focus mainly these 6: extraction, distillation, drying, evaporation, size reduction, size separation. All principles are very important. And also in each equipment, what are the specific applications they will ask. For example, say a solution is very thick, how you are going to be evaporate, which equipment you are going to be evaporate the thick solutions, like that they will ask specifically. Okay, and forensic forms, gunshot, all these are gunshot, forensic forms. Acts, laws, corresponding years. Okay, in normal examination these are all need not to be remember all these things, but in competitive exams you must read, no option in that. Okay, PCI structure, Pharmacy Council of India, members, life members, like elected, nominated, who is the president, vice president, their terminology, life period of terminology, like that. State Pharmacy Council, Joint State Pharmacy Council, same. Forms and numbers, it's compulsory, it is a guarantee, gunshot, this is also. Okay, and schedules, A to Z schedules are there, and why we are using that schedules, and various institutions and located places. Okay, like that. Drug research center, okay, central drug research, where it is situated, like that. Okay, and features of IP, BP, USP, how many volumes are there, in which year it was published, like that. Number of things they will ask. Years and editions, they will ask editions also, and they will also ask who is the chairperson during the 6th IP, who is the 6th edition, who is the IPC chairman, like that they will ask. Okay, and Drugs and Cosmetic Act, you have to focus mainly on this. Okay, like a drug inspector, what is the qualification, eligibility for government analyst and all. Okay, and also fines, bonded laboratory, what is the meaning of bonded laboratory, non-bonding laboratory, and windows, especially they will focus on windows, and how many inches of the iron rods, and what is the minimum gap between two rods. Okay, and how much depth it should be inside a brick, like that. These areas they will focus. Okay, so focus on these areas, compulsory, there will be in all competitive examinations. All the best. And if you want to see all my videos, So you have to subscribe to see all my videos. After that, after subscription, you press here at the center subscriptions, okay, so that you can see all the channels what you have subscribed. There you can go for Pharmatrix for exams and go to playlists. There you can find subject wise, okay, and immediately you will get all my updates if you press a bell icon. Okay, thank you, all the best.